This two-part video series provides an overview of 3 active safety systems included on the 2020 GR Supra. In the first video, we reviewed pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. So let's now take a closer look at lane departure warning with steering assist and automatic high beams. Lane departure warning with steering assist uses a front-facing camera to determine if the vehicle is deviating from its current visibly marked lane. When this system is active, a green icon will be visible on the instrument panel. If the system detects an unintentional deviation from the current lane, the driver is reminded to correct course through steering wheel vibrations. System sensitivity levels can be adjusted on the settings screen in the center display, along with the intensity of the steering wheel vibrations. In addition to notifying the driver when the vehicle has begun drifting towards a lane boundary, a steering assist function is able to make small adjustments to steering to help direct the vehicle back into the center of the lane. If steering intervention is repeatedly activated within 3 minutes, additional alerts will occur. In this situation, a short warning will sound on the second intervention, and a continuous warning will sound on the third occurrence. But of course, if the appropriate turn signal is used, this system will not activate. This system, including its steering assist functionality, can be disabled in the settings screen on the center display. Automatic high beams help keep the driver focused on the road by automating the operation of the high beam lamps. Using the front-facing camera to detect other vehicles, this system is designed to automatically turn off the high beam lamps in order to reduce glare for other oncoming drivers, and then toggle them back on when no other vehicles are visible. This system can be quickly activated and deactivated, as well as adjusted for sensitivity via the turn signal stalk on the steering column. As you can see, Supra is equipped with a range of standard safety features designed to help make the road safer for both you and other drivers. Please refer to the owner's manual for additional information on system operation and limitations. And for more information on the Toyota GR Supra, be sure to visit toyota.com/Supra.